We're monitoring the babies again. Oh my goodness, it sounds like Crew has the hiccups. Whenever it sounds like you're going over the roads in Louisiana, that's a hiccup. And they're moving around a lot tonight. Maybe they're getting excited. They're coming in 2 days. We love you, boys.